Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Surya 41st look announcement.
Yes, so probably this is Surya sir's 40th movie.
Yes.
Okay, Surya sir ka. So it just reminds me of the Talapati 65. Kind of like that. Hashtag Surya 40.
Yes.
And I think this is probably the best timing because after some days only Surya sir's ka birthday is coming.
Right.
So this is probably bestest
A
time
tribute,
to
you can say,
yes, to launch the first look
Yes,
announcement. Right. So this movie actually the director name of this movie is Pandit Raj. The casts are obviously Surya sir, Priyanka Mohan, and the music director is Iman. And the movie is by Sun Pictures. So this is probably the look like I can get a vibe that this movie is also going to be an action kind of a movie. I can get a vibe.
Surya sir, or maybe something a different kind of concept can be there because
he's versatile, man.
Always he is experimental kind of actor, and he tries something experimental or something different kind of the movie always. So I think let's see, and this is just an announcement, so we'll not be able to figure out much about this,
but yes, by seeing the first
looks
look
and all.
Yes, looks and all, we can predict a lot of the things. We'll tell all of the things after seeing this first look poster first. So let's get started with the video. But usse pehle, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Okay.
July 22, 6 p.m.
Okay, I thought it will be something.
Okay, this is only the announcement. 14 seconds only. I thought the first look would be there. Okay, July 22 को उनका first look आएगा.
Okay.
Poster.
Got it.
This is just an announcement, like a sneak peek, you can say.
Yes,
okay,
exactly.
so this is like, oh my god, the vibe.
At least we are able to see his like some of the looks,
glimpses.
Well, right?
some of the glimpses
because he was holding a chain in the hand.
I told you, right? I am getting the vibe that this is going to be an action movie.
I feel like that only.
Because the hashtag Surya 40. This actually is giving me vibe. I don't know why. I have not seen anything. I have not seen any single thing. But this is giving me vibe. Okay, Surya sir hai. Action movie ही होगा मुझे लगा था. And also I was thinking about the versatility also. Like action movie सिर्फ डिशुम नहीं, उसके अंदर story रहेगा. I thought of that.
Exactly.
Oh my
god. Of course a story will be there, and that also a great story. I can sense that.
We can sense that.
The way it was executed here and the music.
Oh my god.
So it was something thriller kind of movie. It can be.
Yeah,
right?
Probably it is a thriller movie. Thriller action भी हो सकता है, and like action तो है ही, thriller action हो सकता है, and also like the way his body language was looking, my goodness, the way he was he was looking like that. He's like the whole body, the way he was just bowing down his head and holding that chain, like it is like telling a lot of the things that. This is a very dark theme. Obviously, the whole announcement has made on a dark theme, and on the dark theme only it is like the director name, every single thing is coming up. So this is actually is giving me a thrill. Like, let's talk about it a little bit. It's giving me a thrill, and it is giving me a thought that this movie is going to be a movie where I think some negative जो timing का मतलब politics related, maybe some bad influencers life would be there, and Surya sir will be like fighting against all of these things. Like
exactly,
generally
that can happen, and also
unique topic नहीं लग रहा है मुझे. This is what I'm
that can happen, but also with the theme, whatever the background where he was standing, that seems to be some old home or something Britisher kind means old time homes, right?
It is giving me haunted vibes actually, but
yes, somewhat it's giving, or maybe some inside some tunnel or underground home.
Underground
it can be,
activity,
right?
that is also giving.
Because there is some stair also we are able to see,
we are able to see,
and that will be somewhat possible inside underground some home. It will be there,
some
hidden places or something, or maybe some goons or something will be hidden. Activity is going underground, and then he went there, and then again blast blast or fight of scenes
Fight,
will be there. So
रिसेंटली वो मूवी निकला ना वो धनुष सर का, उस मूवी में जो वाइब था ना, यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत वाइब मुझे मिल रहा है, लाइक
because you heard that music
म्यूजिक के वजह से उसमें भी वैसा टाइप का म्यूजिक था ना, काइंड ऑफ एकदम पूरा एक टाइप का फॉर्म वॉइस का, यहाँ पे भी ऐसा है. तो दिस इज गिविंग मी दैट काइंड ऑफ वाइब, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द मूवी. व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग इज लाइक probably whatever you are telling, that also can be the theme of the movie, that yes, some dark place where some underground things are going on, some underground activities, like he is like there and he is here to reveal everything, every single thing. He's just fight against that thing. That also can be happen,
right? And I think more will be able to undercover on 22nd.
22nd. Otherwise this can be a kind of like थोड़ा सा क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी वाला मूवी हो सकता है. जैसे हम देखे थे ना उसमें कोल्ड केस में, इट वाज रिलेटेड टू क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी बट इट वाज हॉन्टेड आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. सो दैट आल्सो कैन बी टच, लाइक वी आर जस्ट guessing and guessing. People will like tell in the comment bar what you are telling, this is not the context of the movie only.
That's
that
okay.
also can be happen.
We usually try to see a glimpse and
try
usually
to
dig into and we usually present our thoughts of what we are thinking of after seeing this. We don't know exactly what it is will be or what it can be. We haven't done any research on this also.
Yes.
So
actually
let's see.
After 22nd only everything will be like, the things will be getting more clear.
I don't think much clear it will be there, because they have told that is the first look announcement. So after seeing the first look also you will not be able to judge a lot of the things.
But पीछे बहुत सारे चीज देख के भी थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है. जैसे हम पुष्पा में किए थे, जैसे कि हम तलपति 65 का फर्स्ट लुक देख के हम गन्स वगैरह देख के समझ में आया था. कुछ तो समझ में आएगा, कुछ हिंट्स मिलेगा, राइट? हमारे जो लग रहा है मतलब क्यूरियोसिटी लेवल और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा एक्चुअली. सो दैट इज एक्चुअली द बेस्टेस्ट थिंग. एंड यस, ऑन द ईव ऑफ सूर्या सर's birthday, I think this announcement actually will make his day. Right? Because every actor, मतलब for each and every actors, whatever it is, like throughout the globe, this is very much important that their movie announcement or something like teaser or something should be getting released on the eve of their birthday.
And I think this first look, whatever they are announcing for the Surya 40, so this movie probably is going to release in 2020. 2022, sorry. 2022. In 2022. So that will be it. Again, it will take a long way.
A long way means 1 year.
Yes, because maybe the shoot or something, it will be in progress, and from there they have taken some
of the action on that. Yes, that is it actually today's video. We thought okay, announcement मतलब थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा, but it is very little actually, 14 seconds. So yeah, just let us know what you think about the first look and the movie context. Just let us know in the comment bar if you have any idea. And yeah, we really enjoyed anything related to Surya sir. We really enjoy because he's look wise he's an expression king. That is for sure. And we can have a lot of positive vibes by seeing his movie after Surarai Putra specifically. If I
we have a lot of expectation also
from him, because he's a fantabulous actor, and we really adore him for this.
He's also a kind of actor. He sets his own goal and he breaks his own record.
He's kind of something like that actually. Really. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.